Urgent appeals this evening for major towns like Spanish Town in St. Catherine to be more friendly to persons with disabilities. While the government has made strides since the implementation of the Disabilities Act in 2022, it is believed that towns with aging infrastructure are neglected. Those issues were raised at the Justice Ministry's Legal Aid Fair for persons with disabilities in St. Catherine today. Patrick Roden has been bound to a wheelchair for over 30 years. Although he is fully independent and uses a mobile wheelchair to navigate the busy streets of Spanish Town, St. Catherine on a daily basis, his journey is far from easy.
A mobile wheelchair is more wider than the average new wheelchair. So when me head into a place to restroom, me know say you have to change your mind. Either me go somewhere where me know accessible for wheelchair, and maybe me there far and if head to there, maybe I'll mess up myself. You understand? If head to there. So it's difficult.
That's because he said many of the public bathroom facilities in the town have no rails for persons with disabilities. In terms of access to buildings, he said persons with disabilities should be consulted before ramps are designed and constructed.
The people who design their building, they don't design it with ramps. Because the ramps and the bathroom facility, if you come in Spanish Town now and you can't even pay, you want to use the bathroom, you cannot use it because the doors are so small, you cannot turn inside of there, and the ramps are there where you can't go up. Sometimes they put the ramp and the ramp are too steep.
However, he acknowledged that some business owners are trying to be more inclusive. Mr. Roden was among dozens of persons with disabilities who attended the Justice Ministry's Justice Fair in Spanish Town, St. Catherine Friday morning, an initiative that is part of a more holistic approach to better protect the rights of people with disabilities in Jamaica since the Disabilities Act was implemented in 2022. In responding to some of the challenges raised by Mr. Roden, this is what State Minister in the Justice Ministry, Marissa Dalrymple Philibert, had to say.
Like with everything else in life, we have started in areas. Here it is, you have a mobile clinic. There are many offices that are now equipped with equipment and facilities are friendly, but everything takes time. And so we are moving in increments, because if we do everything all at once, what's going to happen? The tax is going to go up because you have to pay for these things, but our government believes in it.
Meanwhile, the Justice Fair allowed persons with disabilities to get easy access to a variety of justice services, to include expungement, victim support, and estate management.